Okay, this is the Leadwell MCV-1500BR. It's got the Mitsubishi Meldas M3 control. It's got through spindle coolant, a 30 tool chain type magazine. I'm just going to operate a wee program which will traverse the table to the maximum extremes in X, Y and Z, or almost, and run the spindle up to 4,000 RPM and then up to its maximum of 6,000 RPM. So all axes run extremely smoothly. The Z axis has got 600 of travel, the X has got 1500 millimeters of travel, and the Y has got 750 of travel. All the axes and the spindle, that's the spindle at 4,000 RPM, and now at the maximum of 6,000 RPM. All the axes and the spindle are running very smoothly. It's got the remote MPG, and that's the program there.